Hello everyone, this is class 6 maths, chapter number 9, playing with numbers. Exercise 9a we have already done. 9b is not in your syllabus. So today we will start with exercise 9c. Here the question number 1 to question number 9 is in your syllabus. But before starting the questions, we need to do some introduction. To solve exercise 9c, you must aware with some divisibility rules, but before that, we will aware with the even and odd numbers. Hope you all are aware. What are even numbers? Even numbers are the numbers that are multiple of 2, or we can say the numbers which comes in the table of 2 that are called even numbers. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8 and even 0. Right? Always to check whether the number is even or odd, we check its last digits. If last digit is 0, then definitely we will say the number is even. Clear? And next is odd numbers. Odd numbers that are not divisible by 2. It means that that doesn't comes in the table of 2. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Clear ji? Next, divisibility rules. Divisibility rules we will do side by side. We will do first divisibility rule and then we will do the question, and then we will do next, and then we will do the question related to that rule. These rules are very important, beta. In the further classes it will be very helpful to you to solve the maths, so kindly be focused. Divisibility rules. Rule number 1, how to check the number is divisible by 2 or not. How to check it? For that we will check the last digit. He has written it's unit digit. Unit digit means the last digit. We will check the last digit of the number. If it is even number, then we will say that number will comes in the table of 2. The number is divisible by 2. Clear? So let's do the question related to this. So here question number 1 is, find which of the following numbers are divisible by 2. First number, that is 352. Yeah, its last digit is 2 and 2 is the even number, so this number is divisible by 2. Next, last digit is 3. 3 is the even or odd number? Yes, it's odd number, it's not even one, so it is not divisible by 2. Next, last digit is 6. It means the whole number is even. It will be divisible by 2. And the last one is, last digit is 9. We will not check the other numbers. We will check only the last digit. So 9 is an odd number, so it will not come in the table of 2. So this number will not be divisible by 2. We will not just simply write the numbers and say yes or no. No, we will give the reason that why this number is not divisible by 2. For that I will give you one example. Rest questions you will do by following that example. Clear? So this example I have written for you. This is 352. Last digit, or you can say unit digit, is 2. Right? Its last digit is 2, which means which is an even number. So 352 is an even number. It is divisible by 2. Clear? If it is odd, then you will mention the last digit is odd. It means the whole number is an odd number. So this number is not divisible by 2. Hope the divisibility of 2 is clear to you. Now we will move further for the divisibility of 4. Divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its digit in tens place and the unit place is divisible by 4. It means as we have given the number, we will check its last 2 digits. In the divisibility by 2, we check the last digit now. Now here we will check last 2 digits. If the last 2 digits are divisible by 4, then we can say the number is divisible by 4. In the same way as here given the example of 524. So 24 is divisible by 4 now. Right? So it means 524 is divisible by 4. Let's do the question related to this divisibility rule. See question number 2. Find which of the following numbers are divisible by 4. Clear? For that I have told you the rule that we have to check last 2 digits. So here the last 2 digits, and this is 22. 22 comes in the table of 4. No. So it means this number is not divisible by 4. Next 532. 32 comes in the table of 4. Yes, it means this number is divisible by 4. Next is 78, like 678. We need to check whether 78 comes in the table of 4 or not. For what we will do? We will divide 78 with 4 and we will check it. Clear? This question I will do for you guys. And rest I know you can do by yourself. Here again we have 32 and 32 comes in the table of 4. So this is the third part of question number 2, 678. To check the divisibility by 4, we will check last two digits, that whether they are divisible with 4 or not. So for that, if it is not easy for you, then you can divide it. 4 ones are 4, you will get 3 here, take 8 here and it becomes 38, right? Then you can write 4 9s are 36. You will get 2 here. Nothing is further. Then you need to apply decimal. It means it is not properly divisible with that. Decimal is coming here now. So it means this number is not divisible by 4 properly. So we can say, so you can give this reason: a number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits of the number are divisible by 4. But in this case 78 is not divisible by 4 completely. So 678 is not divisible by 4. In this way you can give the reason. But if the number is divisible, then you will write, so this number is divisible by 4. So in this way you can do part 1 and part 2 of exercise 9C. Complete both the parts. Next we will do tomorrow. Thank you.